Well, hello! Welcome to my newest video. In today's video, I would like to title it, I Want to Be Your Google. Now, let me explain. So, as we're getting closer and closer to the fall season coming into full bloom, you're going to have lots of things you're going to need help with. It can be in the house, at the office, at your church, wherever it may be. There are lots of projects, lots of things you're going to need services of good, solid professionals. And I want to be a resource for you to connect you with those people. Over the last 20 years, I have made it my business to get to know some of the best and the brightest of all the professions. Now, just like real estate in my industry, there are awesome real estate agents and there are other real estate agents that aren't as good. And in some cases, there are some downright bad real estate agents. It's like that in every industry, whether it be a roofer or an accountant or a lawyer or a seamstress. Everybody has their own unique set of skills. And over the last 20 years, I've really paid attention and tried to stay in touch, maintain contact with people who have done an exceptional job for me and for my clients. So as things are happening around the house, if you're needing help with that furnace, if you're having leaks in your roof, if you're needing to get your some bookkeeping done, let me know. If you need help writing a book, if you need help with your animals, getting them groomed, or sitters for your animals, I cannot tell you how many people have called me up and say, hey Cameron, I need this, or you have a guy who can do that. And in just about every case, I have somebody. In the rare cases when people ask me that and I don't know, I make it my business to go out and find the best person. So don't take a chance when it comes to things like doing your own graphic design work or getting your own promotional products done. A lot of horror stories come about by people just going to the internet, looking around, Googling something, and that's just not the best way to do it. Let me know what you're looking for. I don't make any money from this. It's completely coming from a place of service. I want to help you. I want to help the people that you know. I can help in a lot of different geographical locations all throughout the Wasatch Front. I have a lot of resources and I want to make sure those resources are shared with you. So as you're thinking about what you're doing this year, whatever you do and you say, I really need to do this time of year, that water heater has seen its last leg, or if you're thinking, man, I really need to find someone who can help maintain the pool next year because my guy just retired, just let me know. We can get you in contact with so many great professionals. And it's one of the best things, and for me, is when somebody calls me up and says, oh, I'm so glad that you recommended that landscaper because he or she did a great job and that makes me look good, and I want to make sure that you're getting the best service and the best pricing on all of these. And if you know of good people that have really done a great job for you, I'm always looking for more additional contacts. So I'm more than happy to talk to you about who the people are that you are liking and using. And if you're doing the certain services and we haven't had a good chance to talk about this, reach out to me, call me and say, hey, I do this. Let's talk more about this and let's see how we can get you more clients as well.